going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Don't mind the beard, just been too lazy to shave it, to be honest. It's mostly all on my neck. It's really itchy and really want to get rid of it. Jumping right into today, we are not going to be doing any installs or anything. We're actually meeting up with one of my buddies, Sed. He's pretty much one of the go-to guys when it comes to getting your car, Jeep, truck, whatever, photographed. I'll leave a link to his Instagram below. Go ahead, check it out. He even started up a YouTube channel and he works with some amazing cars here in Columbus. So for sure, get down there and check him out. I know you guys are looking for like the installs. I still have obviously my swing gate for the rear tire. That will be going on, I think, next week. I just need a helping hand with it, so I think Ryan's gonna help me with that. A couple other buddies. We have the 50-inch light bar mount that's gonna be mounted to the A-pillars here, but those are currently in paint. If you guys remember, my buddy John will be doing those. He's the one who painted my flares. So if you get down there in the description, I'll leave his Instagram below. He has some crazy, insane paint jobs. So yeah, he's doing that for me. So we're still waiting to get those back. We have, you know, the 50-inch LED bar to mount. We have a winch to mount in the front, cube LEDs that we have to put in the front bumper as well. There's still a lot of other stuff that I want to get done over the winter here. Oh, and my rear inner fender liners still. Those are done. They're bed lined, but there's like kind of a back plate that goes to that, and those are with John too, because he's also painting those Mojito green as well. So in the meantime, we're just gonna go and take pictures of the Jeep. You guys will probably catch these on my Instagram, so be sure to, you know, hit me up on Instagram. Make sure to check them out. Leave them a like and a comment. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get to it. What's up, buddy? Yeah, I've never seen your GTI. That thing's badass.
Thank you. Where are we going?
You can follow me. It's like right up the road here, so. Okay. I don't mind shooting YouTube videos, but like the whole editing part like pisses me off. If I could pay somebody to edit, I would. We found this spot. It's kind of wooded, a little driveway area, and get some shots over here. You can see Sed doing his job. After this, we're gonna shoot down the road. There's another spot we're gonna hit up. It's got a little bit different scenery, and see what we can come up with over there. And see, when I shoot on my phone in the gas station, like you said, with my phone I could get like the tree lights up and then like the green. Like I posted one recently that was pretty good, but I was like, from off my phone I was like, I either need to use this for photos or I need to actually get like a DSLR again.
Do it. Get another Sony.
Man, good thing you put on the hiking boots, right? This guy does anything for the shot. All right, packing up and moving on to the next spot.
And this is old Sunbury Road, so it like runs along.
Yo, that picture's insane.
That's where the water is, but
oh yeah,
it wasn't up there.
That's sick. Oh yeah, this is literally a perfect spot. Yeah.
Yeah, it was about fine. I'll just shoot this way.
Back it up in here. Yeah, this picture's definitely going on my Instagram. This is perfect. This is exactly what we had in mind too. Luckily, it wasn't too bad to get up in here either. Did you scout this place out before?
No,
or you?
I've just been there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Walked like all the way down over there. I was like, maybe.
It's like people don't really bother you if you act like you know what you're doing.
One time someone's bothered me. I was downtown, and these cops came up randomly.
Yeah.
They were just like, "What are you doing back here? Taking pictures. You shouldn't be back here." They didn't give us a reason why, so.
Wow. Like it wasn't trespassing or anything.
Just like train, track, I don't know, yard, a rail yard. Oh gosh. And so there's 5 of us back there. We were just shooting because it looked abandoned kind of. And so this guy comes like hauling ass towards us, and he's like, "You guys gotta get out of here." And the rail, like the yard master called the cops on you. And
oh my god.
As we were going out, the cop comes back, and then my buddy's stuck on the train tracks because he's about
he's too low.
This far off the ground.
Oh my god.
I can't go anywhere.
Oh no.
Well,
that's the problem with being so low.
And the guy wants to press charges and do all this stuff. And we're like, we were just taking pictures. He was like, well, you guys, he said you were street racing.
Oh my gosh.
Like, really?
Yeah. You're like, I literally show you. Like, look at my.
You can't even get over the train tracks.
Yeah. They like see a gang of like people like you guys, like, and they're just like, oh yeah, they're gonna go racing, or like, you know, Like, no, we're just out for a cruise or whatever, you know? It's like the only thing I can get in trouble for with the Jeep is like trespassing on property or something. But like getting stuck somewhere or street racing, they're never gonna pull me over. He's still working on a few shots here. But from what he showed me on his camera, what he's taken, they're insane. You guys are gonna love these photos. I'm gonna be posting them on Instagram. I'm sure he'll post a few as well because he's actually excited just because I'm the first Jeep, actually like the first off-road vehicle, because mostly he shoots like cars and stuff. So he wanted to get some off-road shots, but oh man, we kind of had to like go up across the street here into like these trees, but it was so worth it because I can't wait to show you guys these photos. They're insane. Honestly, because I'm so slow at editing, I'll probably throw some in this video. But yeah, I think for sure we're gonna try and make it on Jeep's Instagram and Facebook page again. We've been on there once before, twice? Once. We've been on there once before, but I think we're definitely gonna get on there one more time. More than once with these photos. It's so funny because I'll be driving around and I forget that it's up there, and like I'll be idling or something in like a parking lot, and like some like soccer mom will park next to me with her Jeep, and like she'll get out front and like take a picture of my Jeep. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, why is everybody taking a picture of my Jeep? I realize that my tree is on because it's hooked to my ignition. So as long as my Jeep's on, the lights are on. So if I park it and like show my Jeep off, they turn off. So like nobody really pays attention, but when they're lit up, everybody's like, that's hilarious, you know? People stop me, like yesterday I had 4 people stop me just to say that, like, that's so awesome, gotta get a picture. These people stop me in the middle of the road because there's no traffic. And they straight up were like, can my kids like sit on your fender and like we can get a Christmas photo? I'm like, yeah dude, absolutely. Like, it's just like, that's like what I like, is like making people smile and laugh, and like people are like, oh, is that a real tree or fake tree? I'm like, oh, that's real. Is it really? Yeah, see, exactly. Hey, thanks for meeting me up. I know, but still, I mean, we got most of it done. I mean, I think you got more than enough. I think 100% of those photos are keepers. I don't think you took one that I didn't like. I don't even know what editing, because looking through like that screen, I'm like, it can always be fixed. Dude, I don't know, man. Those are, looking through like the viewfinder for some of those, like they look like straight out of the camera to the magazine. Put it in there. You think you can see it? Oh shit, yeah I can. It's a little blurry. Oh my gosh. Little sneak peek for all you guys. Little sneak peek. But again, I'll tell you guys, like I said before, I'm gonna leave his Instagram below. I'll leave his YouTube channel below too. He only has a few videos. He's posting one. I don't know. Yeah, he said he's supposed to be posting one. Probably today. But yeah, so check him out. His photography is insane. Weirdly enough, I got another photographer up in Cleveland that wants to shoot me when I'm up there for Christmas. So it's like, yeah, it's weird. It's like photography time, man. Yeah, he's pretty good. What's he got? Oh, he's got 10K. Oh, whatever. Yeah. Just starting out. Sorry, my bad. Last time I checked, he did not have 10K. So. When did you check? 2 years ago. Yeah. Right. Honestly, yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I probably didn't even look. I actually found him because the guy who sold me mine, his Porsche's on his page, and he's like, oh yeah, he's like, thanks, you know, Will Pullman for posting. So I look into him. I was like, oh, he's got some good photos, but. Yeah, legitimate. Yeah, I probably didn't even look. I'm not gonna lie. I'm also horrible with numbers, so what are you at? 10K, 12K, 13K? Get this man 37,000? 100. Get this man to 37,000 Instagram followers. Get down there, get to his Instagram, give him a follow, hit him up for like photography. Like literally, I hit him up last week. Yeah. I was like last week, like, hey, next week you want to like finally do like some photos? Like, yeah, we'll make some time, and here we are. Literally only took. Not many people want to shoot around this time, so. Yeah, that's true. A lot of cars are going away, so that's why he wanted to shoot off-road. How you doing? Aw, enjoying her Sunday stroll.
Yeah, just kidding around.
We got your tail wagging, so you must be happy, huh? All right, guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for today. And oh my gosh, I seriously cannot believe those photos. I mean, the eye and like the, you know, the different like angles and stuff, like he's got such a great eye for photography. I mean, oh, I can't wait for you guys to see these. So Seth, if you're watching this, thank you so much for taking the time and meeting me out today on a friggin' Sunday night. Like, I mean, really thanks for wasting an hour or two of your weekend and taking these photos for me. So if you have your truck, your car, your Jeep, whatever it is, if you want, even a motorcycle, he showed me a picture of a motorcycle, get down there, get to his Instagram, get in his DMs and set up, you know, a shoot, because I mean, he's a really, really nice guy, super easy to talk to, and he's got a great eye for photography. So there you guys have it. Just a little something different today, not an install, not promoting any kind of product, just good old-fashioned artistic photography of cars, Jeeps, trucks, whatever. Just a little bit behind the scenes of what Sed gets to do, you know, for fun, a nice hobby for him. And I mean, does it on the side, and he's killing it. His photos are just, you guys will see. Go down there, follow my Instagram, follow Sed, and as always guys, thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you guys in the next one.